Behed ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Distrit by Patel. Anant Bhaiya is asking the questions. Param Shanti Bapuji. Bapuji, how to get rid of karmic bondages? Bapuji is replying. In Gita, Bhagwan said a simple and easy solution. What is the gist of Gita? True Gita is knowledge of only two words. To get rid of karmic bondages and to burn sins, first of all, soul has to realize itself that I am a soul. I, soul, resides between my brows. One have to practice it while drinking, eating, walking. That soul is driving the car, soul is drinking, and soul is doing the work. Become soul conscious and remember Supreme Soul Almighty, who stays in utmost supreme abode. He is powerhouse. As how sun shines in gross world, sun is fire element. Almighty is supreme light. Remember that light. He is great-great-grandfather. Add relation with him. He is your great-great-grandfather. And you are his great-great-grandchild. He is father of your father. Hashu, Mahashu, so on. He is beyond them. And consider Almighty as your great-great-grandfather. And love him. How much you love him, that much power you will get in your soul. On loving him, soul gains power. Soul became tamopradhan, that is negative in quality. That's why mind is out of control. Mind came under the control of others. Mind got stuck in 5 evils. When soul got power, slowly mind turns calm. What do you want? Power in your soul. Who are you? You are a soul. Why your mind is roaming? Mind is inside your soul. Intellect is in the mind. Sacrament is in intellect. I told this in many videos. Why your sacraments are without merits? Because your intellect is bad. Why your intellect is not good? Because mind is in wrong direction. Why mind is like that? Because there is lack of power in your soul. When soul is tamopradhan, mind will tamopradhan. When mind is tamopradhan, intellect will tamopradhan. When intellect is tamopradhan, then your karmas turns tamopradhan and sacraments become tamopradhan. So, one has to change one's sacrament of numerous births. For that, soul needs power. Ultimately, from where do soul get power? Power means connection, means meditation. In this gross world, for electricity, you have to plug in. Likewise, soul need energy, supreme light, power. Only Almighty had supreme light. No one had that much power of high quality supreme light. Remember him in utmost supreme abode. First become soul conscious and remember him in utmost supreme abode. Then soul gets power. Then mind will be calm. Bad karmas will burn up. On burning bad karmas, soul turns light. Along with that, spread Param Shanti vibrations. On spreading Param Shanti vibration, your gross body and subtle body also get supreme peace. Bodily related people around you experience supreme peace. Your house, everything around you turns to supreme peace. You can change complete world into supreme peace. Do affirmation for complete transformation of universe. On self-transformation, if you have infinite thought, your thought reaches up to infinite creation, up to infinite celestial creation. Think infinitely, have infinite knowledge, do self-transformation. Stay in soul-conscious state and remember Almighty in utmost supreme abode, who is great-great-grandfather of all souls. Remember him with relation. Become a great-great-grandchild of him and love him. Love is power. Power comes through love. If you are connected to powerhouse, soul gets supreme light. Connection means meditation. Along with that, do an affirmation that all infinite souls have to think about infinite supreme peace. All must recognize Almighty authority. Meditate Almighty authority. Forget about deities, you gain nothing from them. Dive deep in ocean of knowledge and think deeply about infinite knowledge. Watch infinite knowledge videos for 5 to 10 minutes daily, which can make you to think. Infinite knowledge is about solar systems, Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, or three deities. It says about solar system Shiv, Mahashiv. On continuous thinking of knowledge, the vibrations of that thoughts will spread in atmosphere. Param Shanti. बेहद की परम शांति. वेलकम टू आवर चैनल.